Hello and welcome to today's video. And today I'm a bit sick, and you know me as the Northman investor. So if I sound a bit off this day, it's because I'm not had the best week. But either way, let's get into it. Bitmine begins 219 million Ethereum staking push as its treasury tops 4 million ETH. Bitmine transitions from accumulation to institutional scale Ethereum staking to boost its on-chain yield. The main points are: Bitmine kicks off 219 million ETH staking move as Treasury surpasses 4.6 million ETH holdings. Institutional staking setups ready scalable validator expansion and yield growth. On-chain transfers signal coordinated asset consolidation before deposits begin. Staking pilot targets steady 3.1 yield while preserving asset control strategy. Long-term accumulation and network engagement anchor Bitmine's ETH plan forward. Bitmine accelerated its strategy this week as the firm initiated a major Ethereum staking move. The company shifted 74,880 Ethereum, worth around 219 million, into the network's proof-of-stake system, and this action marked a new phase in its treasury operations. Moreover, Bitmine advanced its planned shift from passive holding to active on-chain participation. Bitmine starts first large-scale staking operation. Bitmine deposited the funds into the batch deposit contract at several linked wallets, executed coordinated transfers. The pattern reflected an institutional staking process that prepares Ethereum for validator creation, and it also signaled the start of the firm's internal staking framework. Furthermore, Bitmine used this early phase to establish routine operational steps for future validator expansion. The staking move aligned with the firm's goal to generate stable on-chain yield while maintaining broad asset control. The company adopted this method as staking yields remained near 3.1% and provided consistent returns across market cycles. Bitmine showed interest in diversifying treasury activities without shifting away long-term accumulation. This initial deposit represented only a small portion of total holdings, yet it confirmed that Bitmine now supports active Ethereum network participation. The structured setup suggested a scalable model that could grow over time, and it positioned the firm for long-term yield optimization. Moreover, Bitmine prepared to evaluate provider performance through its institutional pilot program. Treasury expansion lifts Bitmine holdings beyond 4.6 million ETH. Bitmine increased its total holdings to more than 4.6 million ETH after recent purchases. The company added nearly 99,000 Ethereum last week at an average cost near 2,991, and it continued expanding despite market pressure. Additionally, Bitmine strengthened its position while maintaining a strategic accumulation plan. The treasury now stands among the largest Ethereum positions held by a single organization. This size grants significant staking potential, and it raises annual reward projections above 126,000 ETH if fully staked. Furthermore, Bitmine would generate substantial yield even if phased staking over time. Blockchain data shows a series of ETH inflows from major custodial platforms before staking began. These movements initiated internal consolidation as Bitmine organized assets for systematic validator deployment. Moreover, the transfers signal growing operational activity within its treasury division. On-chain flows suggest coordinated positioning across networks. Bitmine executed large batch deposits within a short window, and the timing reflected planned execution rather than isolated activity. Each transfer reinforced the firm's shift towards structured staking, and the approach showcased a disciplined internal process. Bitmine demonstrated readiness for broader staking expansion in 2026. The company previously outlined plans for its Made in America validator network, and that framework now appears to be progressing. Bitmine intends to scale gradually after evaluating security and performance, and it will adjust staking volume as conditions evolve. The move sets a foundation for deeper network engagement. Although the firm holds unrealized losses based on historical acquisition prices, it continues expanding its long-term position. The combination of staking income and strategic accumulation indicates a durable approach. Bitmine reinforced its commitment to Ethereum as its primary treasury assets. And that was the article. If you liked it, then of course like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, and I will see you in the comment fields. And as always, I wish you a great holiday season, and I will see you in the next one.